Now what I just showed you is how to make a body out of spheres. Because I want you to try to make a snowman. And you can make it however you want to. It can be as colorful, as big, or as small as you want to. But I do want it to have certain features. So I want it to have a body made out of spheres. I want it to have a face, especially a nose that looks like a cone. It needs arms. It needs a hat. And it needs a scarf. So let's go back to the drawing. And we got the body. Okay, how do we keep going? Well, we keep making a 2D sketch. Create 2D sketch. I'm still going on the XY, XY, XY plane. And I'm going to click front so I can see everything. Whoa. Okay, here's the interesting stuff when you draw on top of other things. This XY plane is right in the middle of the snowman. It's kind of hard to tell. But you see where the lines are? Kind of goes through the middle of the head. If you go this way, it's on top. I can show this plane, XY, XY plane. I'm going to make it visible. And now you can see where you're at. Now it's yellow. So that's the middle. Okay. So anything I draw is going to start in the middle of the snowman. So let's say I want to make a face. Actually, I want to make a scarf. So I'm going to go front. I want to rotate this picture so it can make sense to me. That's what this arrow is for. I can keep rotating. Make the snowman dizzy. Can go the other way. I can also flip the cube. To the right. To the back. To the left. To the front. Notice the front is yellow. The back is blue. Front is yellow. The back is blue. So we stay on the front. I'm going to keep on drawing. I'm going to make a scarf. So I'm going to draw a little bitty rectangle. Click. It's going to be a fat scarf. I don't care about the dimensions right now. I just want to make it fit the snowman. But it's telling me it's 0.375 inches and 0.188 inches, which is very tiny. Okay, notice how it gets covered up by the snowman. Now, for my next trick, I'm going to draw a line, and you're going to see why in a second. So I'm going to make my own line, and I want it to be straight up and down. So I know X is 0, just like the rest of my snowman. I'm going to click. And it did not do what I wanted to do. Escape. Escape. Line. Click. Straight down. There we go. It was at 0 degrees straight down. That's another way you can tell you kept it straight. If you swung it out to the side, notice how it's at 47.29 degrees. But I don't want that. I just want to hit escape. And now I just got my own line. Okay, how do I make this go around the snowman? Well, there's a command called Revolve. 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 You are not going to find it here because we are in 2D. So we need to go to 3D. There it is. Revolve. Now it's zooming in and it wants to know what to do, so you gotta tell it what to do. So I need to see where I'm going. And sometimes the menu is in the way of what I want, so I can move that by clicking there and going there. Okay, first command says profile. It's telling me, what do you want to spin? And I say, I want to spin that rectangle. So I click on it, now it's blue. Once it's blue, I can move on. So I'm going to click axis. Axis is the thing I'm spinning this rectangle on. So I'm going to click my axis, is this one, the line that I made. Whoa, it happened so fast you missed it. Do you see it? See it? It's spun around le snowman. I'm going to click OK. See? Now it looks like the snowman has a dog collar. Ta-da! So, to make things, you can use this command called Revolve. And that comes in handy for the snowman scarf.